Hello guys, this is your host Dr. Talha, and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel so you will get a notification every time when we upload a new video. So on your screen, I hope so you are watching the chart of gold according to one weekly time frame, and I have explaining you that this support level is very brutal. If the gold is not going to break this in the downtrend, then the gold is not going to retest the support level in its entire life. That's it. Why I am saying this bold statement? Let me show you. Last time when gold gave a brutal retracement, let me show you here. This is the last retracement that ever had done in the structure of gold. Let me show you with the help of an example. Last time when the gold retest from 2074 to 1600, it was a retracement of $400. Okay, and after that the gold has given us a very brutal move of almost $4,000. This is totally insane. That's why I am saying so. So now the gold has given us a retracement of almost 56 to 39 $1,700. So this is going to be very insane. What is going to do in the future, totally unimaginable. So last time when gold gave a retracement of $400, we have a buying rally of $4,000. So this time gold has retraced $1,700 and be ready for the uh, consequences. Okay, so as you can see, I have told you many times this trend line, this support level is very brutal because market pumped from here. Okay, so as you can see, mm, after that buying rally from 3330, the gold gave us a move of almost $1,000, and then it retraced only $300, and after that it gave a buying rally of almost $1,500. So this was very important because when gold was in the buying rally, it it was unstoppable and it stopped only this red zone. So this zone is very important. If somehow gold is managed to break this zone, then we can see a clear downfall in the gold. If not, then gold is not going to retest this support level ever in the future. Okay, so after that I have shown you a trend line, that this trend line is also very brutal. If the gold is not going to break this, then we are in the selling direction. So as you can see from uh, you know 26 February to almost August, the gold break this trend line in August. So this is totally a breakout. So after that it is giving us a buy move. So this trend line was very valid. So now we have a breakout in this structure, not a breakout but a very powerful Moroboso candle according to weekly time frame. So let's move to daily time frame so we can find out many other smaller and big projections of gold. So here you can see that this was a support level by the market. That's why gold only stopped on this level. Why? Because this was a proper support level. The market according to daily structure has it test many time on the support level. So if somehow gold is going to give a buying candle, a very beautiful big bullish engulfing candle, then we can say that the gold is going to retest on this support level, and then it will test or touch its new high, the second highest resistance zone of gold, 4760. So far now that is some stupidity, but for now we have a very clear breakout in the structure, but there is no retest, there is no retracement. So for now we will wait for the gold to make a retest on this green zone. After that we will blindly enter on gold on this green zone. So far now you have only two scenarios in the buying direction. Simply first, you can buy on this breakout, but your stop loss will be below the zone. Okay, the second scenario is that you can buy on retest. If somehow gold is going to retest this trend line, you can set your stop loss just below the zone, and you can set your TP the second highest resistance of the market. So this was all about gold in daily time frame. So let's move to, so let's remove this drawing and let's move to H4 structure, so we can find out many other things. So as you can see, this was clearly a resistance level. That's why gold test this level. Not only resistance level, as you can see, there is also a support level here. So basically this is a brutal zone. Brutal zone mean the same zone where support and resistors are working. So now as you can see, this was the highest resistance that market had made in the previous time. So the market, after giving a breakout, when market gave a breakout here, let me show you, this was a breakout, but the retest is pending. So for now, in the next week, you have to wait for the market for a proper retest on this black zone, then you can buy it. Okay, first level will be this resistance and second will be this. And the alternate scenario is that the gold directly gave a bullish move, a breakout, then it will retest here, and you can buy on this platform, on this channel. So this was all about gold. Let's move to natural gas. As you can see, this is a chart of natural gas. Let's move to H4 time frame, so we can find out many other things. So in H4 time frame, I told you that this is a support level, but if market somehow manage to break this, then the gold will test its lowest area. So now as you can see, the lowest area we are having right now is this one. Okay, and this one. As you can see, the natural gas is moving in a time, in a very you know discipline time. This is the trend line, and after giving a breakout on this support level, the market very nicely pushed back, make a retestment, and then it is again break this level, and now it will retest this level, and after that it will test its first support level, which is present on the 2.57, and then it will give a move towards 2.40. So far now on higher time frame periods, let me clear it on the daily time frame period. So now as you can see, we have a very brutal time period, we have a very brutal support area here. So the gold is going to retest on this support level. So this level is very important, but this is according to one daily time frame. So slow the gold will come on this level, and then you can take a very bullish move. Coming selling from this level is totally insane, and uh, you know suicide. So you have to wait for the market to come and tap on this structure. Once the market tap on this structure, then you can take a buying entry towards that level. So your first area will be this one, and second area, so only first area is very useful. But if you are going to divide your TP into the mini TPs, then 2.85 will be the first TP and 3.2 will be the final TP. So but you should enter your trade after a very strong confirmation. I hope this video will clear all your questions and trends that arises in your mind about the trends and movement of the gold. For any help, you can message me on my Telegram, or you can search on our website, which is www.theforexplanet.com. So hope so this video is very beneficial for you. Take care and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.